Subscribe to TechnoBrain channel for latest videos and updates. Hello everyone, welcome to TechnoBrain channel. In this video, I will show you how to install an automatic light on the door of a storage area. For this, I will use this on-off button. This is push to off and release to on button. And for this, I will use this 2.4 watts IP65 rated LED light, this 12 volt power supply, and red and black cable, one for phase and another one for ground, scissors and tape. So let's get started. So guys, this is my storage area. Sometimes it's very dark here when I take out the things, so I want to install a light here. So this is the LED light which I showed you earlier. It has double tape. Remove the tape and put it here like this. Now the second thing we need is this switch. We will connect the switch. For this, we will take this double tape. I will install the double tape on the switch like this and then install it here. So here you can see the switch is installed. I will cut these cables because I don't need this connector. Now I will install the cables for the connection. Light and switch has been installed. I will use this red wire for the positive side and this black wire for the ground. Now I will cover the connections with the tape. Now this red wire will go to the switch. And for this connection, red wire again. So now these connections look like this. Now I have a red cable and a black cable which will go directly to the power supply adapter. I am using this connector for this red and black wire. So now I have this connector where I can easily plug the power supply. Now I will hide these cables, so all the hanging cables. Now I have hidden all the cables with the tape, and now I have this power socket and this is the power connector pin. I will connect this pin and the light should turn on. Yeah, now you can see it looks much better. If I have to find something, I can do it easily now. And on the side, I have removed the cables and I will tuck it on the sides. Just stick it like this. So whenever I will shut the door, the light will turn on. When I will open, the light will turn on. So guys, this was the video of how to install light in the storage box. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.